Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing / review video for Victure's action camera. Now this action camera is complete with Wi-Fi connectivity and 4K recording capabilities. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. The packaging that the action camera comes in is quite stylish and very practical. To safely unmount the camera from its display, simply pinch the two clips and push the camera out. We're going to go ahead and put the camera to one side for now and look at the 20 plus accessories that the action camera comes with. So first, some zip ties, tether straps and some adhesive pads, a remote control for the camera, lens cloth, a dust-proof cover, an external microphone, some straps, an adapter mount, short and long thumb screws, some more straps, a charging wire, an extension mount, a J-hook mount, a bicycle mount, a selfie stick mount, a backpack clip, an extra battery, and finally an adapter mount. We're now going to look at the camera itself. It comes in a waterproof case which has buttons that allow you to access the camera even when it's fully submerged underwater. Hello. To remove this waterproof case, slide and lift the locking mechanism. The watertight cover will now come off. The quality of this case seems to be heavy duty, and I may do some tests in future videos. Here is the camera itself. Let's view some footage shot from this camera at 60 frames per second on 1080p. From the quality of those videos, you can see that this camera is a relatively good investment, especially considering its price point of only £50. The variety of mounts and accessories you get with this means that you can start recording your action the minute you receive this camera. If you want to see further reviews of this camera, please comment down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.